Hi, this is Linus, and in this video I will make a short review of the Doogee Iron Bone DG750 smartphone. Is it really worth your attention? Stay tuned to find out. Let me unbox it first to show you all the contents that come in the packaging. We will look at the phone a bit later, and besides the phone you will get a quick start guide. It may be useful for some users, but we're not gonna read that right now. What is more, there is a screen protector. Also, there is a micro USB cable. What is more, the manufacturer included a pair of headphones. And finally, there is a charging brick. The initial impressions are that the device is well made and it is very compact as it has 4.7-inch display. The smartphone sports a metal zinc alloy frame and metal buttons, which always give that premium look and feel. The back of the device is made out of textured plastic material, which is made to look like a leather. We see that Doogee got some inspiration from the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 series. I needed to take the back cover off the camera because it is extremely hard to do that. It sits so tight, so you don't want to take it off very often. Under the hood there are two SIM card slots, one being a regular and another being a micro SIM card slot. Also, there is a micro SD card slot up to 32 gigs, but I checked it and it works with 64 gig cards as well. The device has a 5-megapixel snapper on the front along with the earpiece and the proximity sensor. The screen is 4.7 inches in size, but the resolution is just 960 by 540, which is below HD. Still, I found it to be pretty sharp, bright and vivid. On the bottom, you can find 3 capacitive keys, which however don't have a backlight. On the back of the device, you can find an 8-megapixel shooter along with a single LED flash. Also, there is a mono speaker on the bottom of the smartphone. Taking a look at the right, you will find a metal volume rocker along with the power on and off key. They have a great tactile response and a high quality build. On top of the device, there is a micro USB charging port and a headphone jack. The device is running Android 4.4.2 KitKat out of the box. The UI looks to be pretty simple with just some Doogee icons and runs smoothly. In general, it is very close to the stock Android experience. I will go through some settings menus as well as apps, which are pretty much self-explanatory, so you can either take a look at that or skip about a minute of this video. In case you miss anything, you will find it in a written review on our website. As far as gaming, I tried to play quite graphically intensive Asphalt 8 game. You can judge it by yourself, but it seems that the device can handle it without any issues. Indeed, the graphics look good and I didn't get any lag so far. Moreover, the loudspeaker is not that bad for a budget device. I know that I've said that a lot of times, but I never care about any synthetic benchmarks. But still, I know that some of the users are interested in it, so I ran through the Antutu benchmark test. I have to say that Doogee managed to score a quite respectable score, which is close to the LG G3. For the device that cost around $100, it is quite good. Make sure you check out our full detailed review on gizmochina.com, which includes high-resolution pictures, more comprehensive overview, camera tests with samples, battery life tests, and our final detailed conclusions. Thank you for watching and see you next time.